Inflation figures came in slightly lower than expected on Wednesday morning, falling to 2.5% last month, down from 2.6% the month before. So what does this mean for the pressure mounting on Chancellor Rachel Reeves as she deals with a sell-off in the bond markets? The lower inflation figures are likely to help ease the jitters in the gilt markets, which saw yields on 10-year and 30-year bonds hit their highest levels in decades last week. The pressure in the gilt market has raised doubts on the government's fiscal plans and even prompted calls for the Chancellor to resign. Economists estimate that the upward move in yields has wiped out the £10 billion buffer Reeves left to meet her key fiscal rule in October. The rule forces Reeves to ensure that day-to-day spending, including the cost of servicing debt, is funded through tax receipts. After a much criticised trip to China this weekend, Reeves appeared in the Commons on Tuesday to face down her critics, including Shadow Chancellor Mel Stride. And following her performance, which saw her insist she would go further and faster to kickstart growth, Wednesday's news will offer her some respite from gloomy economic news. Speaking on Wednesday morning, she insisted there is still work to be done to help families across the country with the cost of living. Former Bank of England policymaker Michael Saunders said Downing Street will be breathing a sigh of relief after the surprise dip in December inflation. He said it would be some help in easing some of the worries about the outlook for the UK. However, there are warnings that any relief could be short-lived, as inflation could grow again later this year thanks to a combination of factors, including the impact of the budget. And the Chancellor, who is seen as Keir Starmer's right-hand woman, continues to face pressure, with one anonymous Labour MP telling The Telegraph she should be sacked if she isn't able to stabilise the economy before the June spending review. What do you think? Do the latest inflation figures take some pressure off the Chancellor? Let us know your thoughts in the comments and follow City AM for more.